Welcome to Money Matters, a 10-minute guide to financial empowerment. In this video, we'll explore the essential aspects of money management and how you can take control of your financial future. So, let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start with today's topic. Building a strong financial foundation. To begin our journey towards financial empowerment, it's crucial to establish a strong foundation. This starts with setting financial goals and creating a budget to effectively manage your expenses. Setting financial goals provides a clear direction for your financial journey. Whether it's saving for a house, starting a business, or paying off debt, having defined goals allows you to prioritize your spending and make informed decisions that align with your aspirations. Saving money is another fundamental aspect of building a solid financial foundation. Establishing an emergency fund acts as a safety net during unexpected events, such as a medical emergency or sudden job loss. It provides peace of mind and financial security, enabling you to handle challenging situations without falling into financial distress. Reducing unnecessary expenses and avoiding debt traps are crucial steps in maintaining financial stability. By distinguishing between wants and needs, you can make conscious choices that contribute to your long-term financial well-being. Cutting back on discretionary spending, finding more affordable alternatives, and avoiding high-interest debt can help you stay on track towards your goals. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's explore the world of investing and wealth creation. Investing is a powerful tool for growing wealth over time. Rather than letting your money sit idle, investing allows you to put it to work and potentially earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. It's important to remember that investing involves risk, but with proper knowledge and research, you can make informed investment decisions that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. There are various investment options to consider based on your risk tolerance, timeframe, and financial goals. Stocks, which represent ownership in companies, have the potential for high returns but also carry higher risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt securities that offer a more conservative investment option with fixed interest payments. Real estate investments can provide both rental income and appreciation, while mutual funds allow you to diversify your investments across various asset classes. It's advisable to do thorough research, consult a financial advisor, and understand the risks and potential rewards associated with each investment option. Compound interest is a magical force in investing that allows your money to grow exponentially over time. By starting early and letting your investments compound, even small contributions can grow significantly. This highlights the importance of starting your investment journey as soon as possible to take advantage of the power of compounding. Smart money management strategies. In addition to investing, implementing smart money management strategies is crucial for financial success. Credit scores play a vital role in your financial life, influencing your borrowing options and financial opportunities. Maintaining a good credit score can open doors for better loan terms, lower interest rates, and greater financial flexibility. By regularly checking your credit score, you can stay informed about your creditworthiness and take necessary steps to improve it. Planning for retirement and long-term financial security is essential for a comfortable and stress-free future. The power of compounding, coupled with long-term investments, can help you build a substantial nest egg that supports you in your golden years. It's advisable to consider your retirement goals, seek professional advice, and review your retirement plan periodically to ensure you're on track. Navigating the digital financial world. As technology advances, so does the way we manage our money. Let's explore the digital financial world. Digital payments and online banking have revolutionized the way we conduct financial transactions. They provide convenience and efficiency, allowing you to manage your finances on the go, monitor transactions in real time, and easily track your spending. Embracing digital payment methods and using online banking apps can streamline your financial management and provide greater control over your money. However, it's crucial to protect your personal financial information in the digital realm. Implementing strong passwords, being cautious of phishing attempts, and considering password managers can enhance your online security. It's essential to stay informed about the latest online security measures and take necessary precautions to safeguard your financial data and privacy. Emerging technologies like cryptocurrency and blockchain are reshaping the financial landscape. While these innovations hold great potential for the future, it's important to approach them with caution and stay informed about their benefits and risks. Cryptocurrency investments can be highly volatile, and understanding the underlying technology of blockchain is key to navigating this new financial frontier. It's advisable to research, seek expert advice, and proceed with caution when considering involvement in cryptocurrency or blockchain-based investments. Conclusion. In conclusion, Money Matters, a 10-minute guide to financial empowerment, has covered essential topics to help you take control of your financial journey. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing process. Take action, set realistic financial goals, and make small changes that lead to significant improvements in your financial well-being. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, explore new investment opportunities, and adapt to the changing financial landscape. Thank you for joining us on this financial empowerment journey. By making informed decisions and staying proactive, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Start today and make your money matter. Remember to subscribe to Matrix Formula. See you in the next video.